What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy, and we're back today. I'm going to be doing an installation of this paperlike screen that I just got from the company SwitchEasy. Now, you know, I have been using this since it came out, and I have been rocking with the Skin On Me Tech Glass. You can see the difference in the screens right up there, but I have Skin On Me Tech Glass right here, and I just wanted to try something new because I got a lot of people asking me if I like the paperlike screens, and I've never tried one. So this is my very first one, SwitchEasy, paperlike. We're putting it on iPad Pro 11. Let's check it out.
Some of the old songs. For old time's sake. As time goes by.
Okay, so now that I have everything out, you notice I do have my screen over here. I took that tech glass off, and I'm gonna be putting this screen on this iPad. So first thing I wanna do is make sure that we clean this off good and get all the dust off. You wanna make sure that you also turn your screen off before you do that to get rid of any kind of electromagnetic static type stuff. So I'm gonna just open this package up right here. And they actually give you alcohol prep pads, a terry cloth, and dust remover. So first thing I'm gonna do is take this prep pad. I'm gonna wipe this screen down because there is a little dust and dirt on it. Now this screen has probably not been touched by hands in months and months. So clean it really well. Prep pad in trash. Hold this up. Terry cloth. Wipe it down. All right, got it nice and clean. Take the pencil off, just like that. Boom, down on the table. Dust removal. Pulling it off. And it's really flimsy, but all you want to do is get this. I just go across the whole tablet. All right, got that out of the way. Okay. Now, I'm gonna turn this straight ways up. Now notice my camera is up there in the top. Screen is gonna go up. Now this is not a glass screen. You got step 1 and step 2. So I got step 1 right here. What I'm gonna do is peel this. Normally what I do is peel it about halfway back, like so. Hold this with my fingers, and then I'm gonna line this up right up top on the tablet itself. I wanna make sure that I got it lined up nice and neat, because you don't want any bubbles or any issues with this. And you can see it start to seal itself down. So I just want to get the first part on before I do anything else. Then I always want to check it to make sure that it's lined up nice and neatly. Okay, so that looks good to me. Now remember, I'm holding this back here with my finger. I'm gonna make sure I didn't get any dust, dirt, anything on there. What I want to make sure is that I get all these air bubbles out coming down. So I'm pressing all these little air bubbles. Press them out. Press, 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 press. You're not going to hurt the screen by doing this. Still a few up here in these corners. I'll come back and get those later. Now I'm going to take this and slowly just pull this plastic piece out as I'm pushing down. Just pressing. Push that out, push that out. And any bubbles you have will correct themselves in a few days. So you don't have to worry about it too much. All right, got that done. Now for the last step, peel that off. And like I said, I do have some air bubbles in here. Get those out. All right, there we go. Turn it back on. And we'll just give it a moment. So now that we actually have this screen protector on, let's talk about it a little bit. It doesn't hinder your sight at all. So you keep the same high definition look. So this is an oil resistant screen protector right here. So what people are gonna wanna know is, how does this work with the Apple Pencil? How is it gonna feel? How is your writing? Is there any lag? Are there any issues? So I'm just gonna open up the Notes app. Pick a nice color that you can see. I'm gonna lay my hand on the screen, and I'm not gonna use the keyboard. And I'm gonna just, oh my goodness. Wow. This actually, oh, I'm at the top of the screen. So this actually feels like I'm drawing on paper, guys. I love this feel. Now, I've been using, like I said, I've been using Skin On Me since the iPad first came out. And I've enjoyed my Skin On Me. But this is a whole new feel. This is a whole new texture. This is a whole new way of using my iPad. And I can't believe I've been missing out on this for all this time. I mean, like, I feel like I can draw on here. I feel like I can take notes better. It's a premium writing experience. I am really at a loss for words. It's a great feeling. I recommend this highly. I highly recommend, if you don't have a paperlike screen protector, I recommend you going out to get one. This is a great product. It feels good. I would recommend this for anybody. It doesn't hinder your touch, nothing whatsoever. It's not gonna scratch. It's oil resistant. It's a great product, and I want everybody to go by and check one of these out if you haven't done so yet. I'll drop a link below so you can check this one out for yourself. Remember, this is by the company SwitchEasy, and it also comes for the 12.9 as well. So go by and check them out. I'm gonna drop links below to both of these. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.